Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ideo 7 Architects. My name is Omkar. In this video, we will see the My 87 mass housing case study. Okay, this video is for the reference video for the mass housing case study. Okay, let's start with the video. We are done the mass housing project for the Green Hill building, which is located in the Lokhandwala, Kandivali East. The site is located on the north side of the Mumbai and 1.2 km away from the Western Express Highway, 3 km away from the Kandivali railway station. The site is located near to the LFS school, Vilasrao Deshmukh Maidan, Savitribai Phule Maidan and Lokhandwala market. Okay, now on the left side, this is a drawing where we draw on the site. Okay, in this drawing, as you can see, here is a site plan. Basically, this site is located on the slopey area. That's why they use the cut and fill method. As orientation, this is the building number 1, building number 2, building number 3, and building number 4 and 5. Okay, they use the H shape of the buildings on the site, and the remaining area they use as a recreation ground. The site area is a 18,000 square meter area, which is a 4.4 acre. The built up area is a 3,450 square meter on the ground floor. The residential tenements, building number 1 and 2 and 3, they are the 2 BHK building with the 168 tenements, and the building number 4 and 5, they are 1 BHK buildings with the 168 tenements. Now talking about the site plan. On the front side we have a 18 meter wide road, and on another 3 side they have a 13 meter wide road. Okay, now this is at the enter they provide the different entries for the different buildings. Okay, at the entrance they provide a tennis court with the clubhouse area. Next to the clubhouse they provide the swimming pool, and with the 2 garden area with the kids play zone and the garden area over here. And another side they provide the big huge garden area, which is a 1500 square meter, which is the 8% of the whole site. Now the total parking area on the site is the 4-wheeler parking is a 210 to 220 parking, and the 2-wheeler parking is a 350 approximately. The internal roads are varies from 6 meter to 8 meters. Okay, this is the image of the garden area. This is the image of the kids play zone, which is located here. This is a swimming pool area. This is a clubhouse, and this is the tennis court area. Now talking about the electrical layout. Basically the main line of the electric line come from here, and they divide in the 2 feeder pillars. Now the 1 feeder pillar is provide the electricity to the building number 1, 2 and 3 and the clubhouse, and another feeder pillar provide the electricity to the building number 4 and the 5 with the garden area. Basically in each building they provide the waste management in each building with the garden area. This is a feeder pillar image. Now talking about the water supply layout. In each building they provide the individual underground water tank, and the rainwater harvesting provide building number 1 and the garden area only. The filter room provide for the swimming pool area, and the OST provide swimming pool purpose they provide the water tank also. This is the underground water tank of building number 5. This is the underground water tank of the building number 3. This is the water supply of building number 1. This is the filter room of swimming pool. Okay, now talking about the floor plans of 2 BHK building number 1, 2 and 3, they provide the 2 wings in each. In each wing they provide the 4 tenement on each floors. Total 56 tenement in each buildings. The building is a G+7 height, which is a 25.6 meter height from ground. 72 square meter area for each flat. They provide a 1 lift and 1 staircase. The electrical duct, which is a 1 meter to 1.9 meter in size. In each building they provide the society office, meeting rooms, waste management area, electrical room and underground water tank. This is building number 4, which is the 84 tenements. This building is G+7 with the 25.65 meter in height. A total carpet area is 56 square meter. They also provide the one lift, one staircase. The electrical duct is also 1 meter by 1.9 meter. They also provide the society office, meeting rooms, waste management, and the electrical room in underground water tank. This is building number 5. This is same as the building number 4. Okay, this is a one unit of the 1 BHK flat. As you can see, this is the entrance of the flat with the living room which has a 3 meter by 4.6 meter. Next to the living room, they provide the kitchen area with the bathroom and the WC area. Next to that, they provide the bedroom which is a 3.2 by 3.6 meter. Okay, this is a unit of the 2 BHK flat. Okay, this is the entrance of the living room with the kitchen area with the common toilet with the passage area they provide the bedroom and the master bedroom with the toilet. Now talking about the clubhouse. In the clubhouse, this is the entrance of the clubhouse with the wash basin with the 3 shower area and dressing area. This is the WC area at the back side, and here is they provide the gym as you can see in the picture. These are some images of the gym area. Okay, this is the ceiling of the gym.